They can build anything you can imagine. A 10-meter mobile lift platform? They build it instantly. At this rate, they'll soon be hand-building planes and cannons. Today, let's step into a small workshop and witness how they build this type of lift platform from scratch. Inside the workshop, you'll see craftsmen cutting square steel. They follow specific designs, cutting it into individual sections. Next, the craftsmen carefully polish these cross-sections, then weld them in place. Right now, the craftsmen are building the lift platform's base frame. For these experienced pros, it's a piece of cake. Meanwhile, other craftsmen are focused on making the support arms for the lift platform. To tightly connect these square steel sections, each needs openings at both ends and the center for pivot pins. To weld the pivot pins, craftsmen cleverly use a jig, ensuring every weld is perfect. Each support arm connects to 3 shafts, making for a lot of cutting and welding. Looking at the base frame, it is gradually taking shape under the craftsman's methodical welding. This shafts the fixed axle, and the steering axle will be installed opposite it later. The base frame is almost done. We'll finish the remaining work once the hydraulic and support arms are installed. The support arms are easy to install thanks to precise, pre-drill holes. With the arms mostly assembled, the crew begins to install the hydraulic system. After assembling the 2 main parts, we'll install the bottom transmission and control units. Technically, the process is much like building a car. For these highly skilled Pakistani craftsmen, if they can't find suitable parts on the market, they simply make them themselves. For ease of use later on, the craftsman designed the bottom control unit to be a slide-out type. The middle square box is the hydraulic oil tank, while 2 batteries continuously power the platform. Once the hydraulic lines are connected, it can be tested. Since it's still unpainted, the lift platform looks a bit old at this point. After an expert paint job by the craftsmen, the equipments look instantly improved. Now, no one would believe it came from a small workshop. Finally, the work platform is installed, and the handmade professional lift from the Pakistani workshop is all done. What do you think of their work?